Hi everybody, it's Ginger with Marvelous Mouse Travels. If you joined us for our last video, then you saw part 1 of our cruise on Bay Lake. We began our cruise at Disney's Wilderness Lodge and made our way to Fort Wilderness Resort and Campgrounds. Join us today for part 2 of that cruise, where we leave Fort Wilderness to make our way to Disney's Contemporary Resort. Despite the fact that they're very different resorts, Disney's Fort Wilderness Resort and Disney's Contemporary Resort really aren't that far away from each other. You can actually see the Contemporary peeking up over the trees from the dock at Fort Wilderness. Off in the distance, you can see the fireworks going off from Cinderella Castle in the Magic Kingdom. Here you can really begin to see the Contemporary Resort come into view. The building on the left is the main resort building, and the building on the right is Bay Lake Tower, which houses the Disney Vacation Club villas. One cool feature about the Contemporary Resort is that the monorail actually goes right through the middle of the main building. Just above the trees, you can see the very top of Space Mountain in Tomorrowland. We arrived at the Contemporary about 6 minutes after we left Fort Wilderness. I hope you've enjoyed watching our cruise on Bay Lake, starting from Disney's Wilderness Lodge, traveling to Fort Wilderness Resort and Campground, and finally ending up at Disney's Contemporary Resort. The Contemporary will be the next resort that we feature in our series of tours of the Magic Kingdom area resorts. Again, I'm Ginger with Marvelous Mouse Travels. Thank you for watching.